私は葉っぱのフレディという話を調査させてもらいます。お願いします。The fall of Freddy the Leaf. Spring came. Freddy the Leaf was born on a branch of a tall tree. Hundreds of leaves were born on the tree. They were all friends. Together they danced in the breeze and played in the sun. Duncan was the largest tree and Freddy's best friend. He knew many things. He explained that they were part of a tree in a park. He also explained about the birds, the sun, and the moon. Summer passed and fall came. Soon the leaves changed their colors. Some turned red, and others turned yellow. Freddy turned purple. They were all very beautiful. One day, a strange thing happened. Some of the leaves were blown by a strong cold wind. The leaves became frightened. What's happening? They said. It's a time for leaves to change their home, Daddy said. Some people call it dying. Will we all die? Freddy asked. Yes, Daddy answered. Everything dies. I won't die, said Freddy, but his friends started to fall one after another. Soon the tree was almost bare. I'm afraid of dying, Freddy told Daddy. We are all afraid of things we don't know, Daddy said. But you are not afraid when spring became summer, or when summer became fall. Changes are natural. Will we die in spring? Freddy asked. I don't know, but life will. Life lasts forever, and we are part of it, answered Daniel. We all live for a night. Why are we here? Freddy asked again. Daniel said, for the friends, the sun and the shade. Remember the breeze, the people, and the colors of fall. Isn't that enough? That afternoon, Daniel fell with a smile. Freddy was the only leaf left on his branch. The first snow fell the next morning. The wind came and took Freddy from his branch. It did not hurt at all. As he fell, he saw the whole tree for the first time. He remembered Daniel's words. Life lasts forever. Freddy landed on the soft snow. He closed his eyes and went to sleep. He did not notice, but in the tree and the ground there were already plants for